morning. So I show you my today morning smoothie before it hits the mixer, the blender today. And I actually have to go somewhere because apparently Eclipse season is starting, if you believe in it or not. My glass bulb from my beautiful lamp fell down this morning. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture, otherwise I would have shown you. And it smashed all over the floor, and I have to take the Hoover out at 7:30 in the morning with the neighbors. I'm like, oh, I don't want to take the Hoover out this early, but the glass was all over the floor. So I have to go to the shop where I got it today. Maybe I put it in my story, and then you will see. So gonna put this in the blender, and then I'm gonna fix my beautiful lamp, do some work before, some important stuff. And look here. So what do we have? Today I decided to go for flaxseed, oats, salad leaves, banana, water, obviously. We have chia seeds, then we have, get sharp here, sharpen. Then we have, what's the word? Raspberries. And I think that was it. Oh, sesame seeds. Oh, and peanut butter and tahini I'm gonna add. So have a beautiful day and some inspiration for you. I'm Steff, I'm a nutritional therapist and holistic health coach with a scientific approach. Follow for more. See you soon.